Hi everyone, good evening. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to talk about the elderly. They are near and dear to my heart. I have many of them that are my friends that I keep in touch with, and I was raised by an elderly person. I'm sure a lot of you that know me when I was living in Rotan, my aunt Nan, and we said Aunt Nan. Some people said teach. Some people had said teacher, teacher, Nan Nan. Yes, she raised me. She was like 84. I think it was 85 when she passed on to glory. But she was just the most wonderful person you could ever met and you could ever be raised by. And so I have a special place in my heart for the elderly, and many of them are my friends, and many of them I keep in contact with them, like I said earlier. But I would like to remind them to take good care of their children and grandchildren and not to give them any trouble when they're trying to show them or tell them something. I have to work on the glare in my eyes. Yes, so elderly, listen to your children and grandchildren when they're trying to assist you. And children and grandchildren, take good care of your mom, your elderly person in your life. Take good care of them, listen to them, call them regularly, keep in touch with them, and help them to feel loved by you. I know it's challenging. Sometimes they're miserable and grumpy, like anybody else sometimes, but I want them to try to be less grumpy, less miserable. Try to listen to your children, your grandchildren. And I would love the grandchildren and the children in the home to show the elderly how to handle technology. That is what I'm really pointing out this evening. Uh, that you show them how to use the cell phone, how to turn it on, how to get to WhatsApp, how to get to YouTube. Show them the basic. Show them how to go to YouTube and find the song they want to listen to. Show them the little microphone, how they can touch the microphone and say exactly what they want to look for, and so that they can be able to be part of this technological world that we are living in. WhatsApp, show them the icon, how to touch the icon and go on WhatsApp and get in tune with maybe the Zoom that they send the services, Bible study, and help them to be a part of what we are enjoying. I know that it requires patience to teach them, but remember they taught you all that you know. And YouTube, WhatsApp, Zoom, show them the basic of it and how to listen to the services or get into Bible study, Bible class, if it is being offered from their church, and let them feel part of the technological world that they are living in, that were not used to, but you're used to it. So let us have patience with them and show them the basic, because they have a world of knowledge that they can share with you, and I am very sure they're not afraid to share it with you. So that's it for today. Take care of the elderly. Show them how to use the basic technology that we are enjoying, that they can also enjoy it too. Thank you for listening. Bye.